Hello everyone and welcome again to our channel. In today's video we will go for a new AI which is called VoiceHub DataQueue. This you can build your own voice AI agent. So instead of having a real human receptionist or customer care, you don't need to pay amount, just find a human like AI and they can do the work instead. Rather than just to speak more, let's go and explore what's the free package of this, and if you can use it, you can just subscribe and you can get it for your own self. But for now, we'll just go for DataQueue. Before this, let me just make it clear. I will go back. Here you need just to write VoiceHub DataQueue and you access this first hyperlink as usual. Then from here you can go for started or get started free. So you'll go here and you will fill some information. You go here, you can go for continue and sign up. I will go for sign up for now. I will use disposable email, so I will go for this email, disposable temporary. I will sign with this temporary just to evaluate the free package. So I'm copying here, then I will go back. So after filling the information and sign up, you just need to go for continue. Then they will send you something for verification. Here you just go for either decline or accept. We will go for accept. Here we'll say never. So we'll go here for accept. Then this you need to access your email to verify. So I will go to my email here. I will just refresh it from here as usual. And here I will get the link. Then I will just click here the link. Now my account has been verified. So let me go back here. Here we'll go for try login again. So we'll just go here in this place. We will log in. So I will go after I put my email, which I use is temporary and disposable, and I put the same password. Then let's wait. So here, what would you like to do with VoiceHub? You can go for testing, deployment, reseller, white labeling, whatever. But I will go with all of them. So just to try it, this is a free package. We'll go. So here they ask you to go for your right plan, which is started with $5 and it goes to custom pricing, different, and you can see what's the packaging they have. Here everything you can go and see what you want, what information they can be used. Here some frequent questions they have been asked, so also you can get it. But to us, just we said we need just to try we see how is it. We'll go just here to pack, and here you can just click about yourself if you want, but I will just go for no thank you for now. Here you can just this is customer support, receptionist, whatever, those things, event scheduling, rental services. But I will go for example for receptionist. As we said, this is just for a demo video for you, so you can just have him. So we'll go for here. This is an agent that can greet visitors, schedule appointment, and handle basic efficiently. But instead of this, we will just replace a little bit, and we will consider ourselves like as a restaurant, and let us also go for example, a ChatGPT, and we'll ask him just to give us a small menu so we can use it. So here I will just greeting visitors, so we will not put it like this. We'll say like answering a call. Just let me make that this is more better than we'll go for what's the others. So as we said here, we'll go just for receptionist. Then I will just put what I can see it's very good for the our restaurant, for example, virtual restaurant. Then we'll go for here, click. So after you go click here, they will give you building your voice agent. We'll see what they give. So even you can provide more details. So they give you like just here, like we have generated the following pathways based on your queries. So please review the details. So you can just check the details and you make sure if they are there. But to me, I will just go for build now. You have to read it. If you are doing a business, you have to read it. But if it is just for try, you can use it for a normal try. Then I will just go for build now. Let's see what we will have. We should wait a little bit until it comes. So now we have this the path line. So just here make the language that you want. So I will go for English for now. We'll click English. Then here we will go for global prompt. Here a global prompt, you can put anything you want. So what I will do, I will put it as the menu. So I will put the menu just to help the AI agent or VoiceHub agent to do it. So what I will just go, I will just put some menu as I said, then we'll come back. As it said, like here we put the menu already, but here the greeting messages, it can be just short, but I will just make it long somehow because I asked the ChatGPT give me the rule of AI. So here they put it, this is an AI virtual order assistant for Eat Me restaurant. I'm not a bit sure if you would do this like for fully, like when you call, but I hope no. At least just we'll try it, then we'll go just for now for save. And let me just because like I'm suspected that if I call him or I call this restaurant, they will give me this everything. So but let me just go for save for now. I hope that it would work now. So we'll go for save, but if it doesn't work and it pronounce everything like one time, you need just to make the greeting message like short and simple, and it is more about the greeting. But here let's go and for example let's start to do calling because we are in the free package. But if you are with subscribed one, you can also call normally. So we'll go for here start, and here we'll allow this time, and we'll be waiting. So they are updating the agent, so we'll be waiting. Hi there.
Virtual order assistant for Eat Me restaurant. It greets callers warmly and politely, takes food orders accurately, shares menu details and prices.
So the mistake I was afraid or suspected it comes because he will pronounce all the messages, but you should not go for this. We will go just for normal chat. How are you? I need to order some food today. Can we?
Thank you for your message. I am here to help you with your food order today. Please let me know what you would like to have from our menu, or if you need any recommendations.
Do you have biryani?
Yes, we do have biryani on our menu. You can choose between chicken biryani and lamb biryani. Which one would you like to order, or would you like to hear more about them?
What's the price of chicken biryani?
The chicken biryani is priced at $12.49. Would you like to add it to your order, or do you have any other questions about the menu?
Okay, I will take one chicken biryani. And do you have any burger?
Thank you for choosing the chicken biryani. While we do not have traditional burgers on our menu, we do offer a variety of wraps and grilled meats, such as the grilled chicken shawarma wrap and beef kofta wrap. Would you like to try one of these, or would you like more details about them?
Okay, how much for chicken shawarma wrap?
The grilled chicken shawarma wrap is priced at $9.99. Would you like to add one to your order along with the chicken biryani?
No, I will just like be okay with just chicken biryani. What juices you have?
We have fresh lemon mint juice and Kamar al-Din, which is an apricot drink. Both are non-alcoholic and halal. Would you like to add one of these to your order, or do you need more
Okay, this is a good thing because I asked him when I put it, I said don't do any something like alcoholic and it should be all like halal. And then he mentioned it also here. This is likable. So I will go for mint lime. This is okay for me for now.
Great choice. I've added 1 chicken biryani and 1 fresh lemon mint juice to your order. Would you like to add anything else or shall I proceed to confirm your order?
No, just confirm my order for now.
Your order for 1 chicken biryani and 1 fresh lemon mint juice is confirmed. Thank you for choosing our Baraka Grill. Would you like to know about the estimated pickup or delivery time, or do you need any further assistance?
No, I mean the delivery time, how much it would take?
Thank you for asking. The estimated delivery time is usually around 30 to 45 minutes depending on your location and order volume. If you'd like, I can check for a more precise estimate based on your address. Or would you like to provide your delivery location for an exact time?
Okay, this is the clear example to you, and this is a clear demonstration. He communicates and he can understand me. So the point is, why you go for receptionist and why you go for customer care while you can have someone here. I will just close this, but you can just end it. You can at the end, if you just continue with it, they will close. Well, the good thing now, I'm speaking with you and he's not trying to interpret. Maybe he understands that I'm not speaking with him. So that's also good. I mean, I can see it. It's very pointedly. Like, I was afraid that if you speak with someone, this AI or AI agent, they will be confused. But now I'm speaking with you and there is no an issue. But I will just try to close with him. Let me see if he's not grasping others. So for now, thank you. And my location is SU 345. Just confirm it, and I hope that I can have the food.
Thank you for sharing your feedback and providing your location SU345. Your order for 1 chicken biryani and 1 fresh lemon mint juice will be delivered there, and you can expect it within 30 to 45 minutes. If you need anything else or have questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day and enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your food. Goodbye.
So this is what I like. Like, even when I was speaking with someone else or I speaking about other topic, he was not interfere. This is very awesome to me because usually if you have an AI, maybe they will be messy and they be confused if you are speaking with them or no. But this one is very fine, very nice. I like it. Number 2, I need just to confirm because I put the greeting message long and I give him instruction. Don't go for this. Just give him like very small greeting. For example, hello sir, hello ma'am. They can just do it. For now, we have done our part for demonstration. And now it's on your part if you want to go with it, subscribe or try use it several times with the disposable email so you can have understanding. Also, you can, I believe, with subscribed one, you can upload, for example, a file, for example, a menu or something. Then it can make it better and clearer to you. Thank you for today and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.